Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start with essentials. Make sure your carrier voicemail is active and you know your account PIN. Open the phone app now, then tap the voicemail icon or press and hold one to jump straight in. When prompted, create a secure PIN and record a short greeting. This helps callers know who they reached. Once saved, you've completed the initial setup, and the system is ready to receive messages, so move on to visual settings and message management next. Once done with the PIN and greeting, enable visual voicemail inside phone app settings if your carrier supports it. This gives you a message list you can tap. Make sure you grant permissions for contacts and storage so transcripts and attachments save properly. Use Wi-Fi or mobile data for quicker downloads and accurate transcriptions. If transcription is off, toggle it on. You can long press messages to play, save, share, or delete. Organize them now so you don't lose important info later. Finish by testing with a quick call to confirm greeting, playback, and notifications. Listen for correct audio and transcription accuracy. If messages don't appear, clear the phone app cache in settings right arrow apps right arrow phone, then restart the phone. This often fixes display issues. If that fails, reset voicemail from your carrier portal or contact support to check provisioning. One key tip: if PIN or access fails, your carrier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.